This is the Sonic 4K Mighty by Frozen, and the VAT band is made out of plastic. We installed it from the inside. We did use electric tape to go over it. I did put double-sided tape to get a better seal. Obviously, you can install it to your discretion. I would recommend you taking out the FEP and then installing the VAT band first and then tucking the electric tape underneath it. This way you get a good seal. You can actually feel the temperature warming up. It will not cause any damage to the VAT band because the temperature is slow and resonating. It does not get too hot. It stops roughly around 70 to 75. And we also have it on a power control. You can control the amount of heat you want. You can turn it off. And also with the power control, you do have a thermostat here that if you forget, it will turn off and on. It'll keep the ideal temperature.